Tammy's got the OpX mindset, but not all the tools to ensure OpX happens not just once, but continuously. What is the OpX continuous improvement cycle? It is our way of improving performance. It helps us to identify specific work processes or activities in which we can step back and observe, ask questions, and challenge each other to improve. The cycle is continuous because we try new things, learn from our mistakes, and never stop finding ways to do things better. There are 4 phases in the cycle: measure, benchmark, improve, and repeat. When we measure, we create a baseline to understand how to keep score by determining our most important business services or processes, the steps involved to perform them, what excellence looks like for each step, and how we'll measure our performance. We seek to understand what our customers and other stakeholders value most to determine what the measurements should be. We define and break down potential problems or isolate opportunities where we can be better. Measuring is important so that we know what success looks like and how close or how far we are in getting there. Benchmarking is the process of measuring the performance of our business against the products, services, and practices of industry leaders. When we benchmark, we look both internally to other departments inside Edison and externally, outside of Edison, to see how others approach similar work. Benchmarking is important because it allows us to learn from others, understand where the bar is, and how to reach it. To improve, we solve problems and leverage opportunities by developing action plans and incorporating best practices from benchmarking. Our goal is to close the gap between what we think we should do as a result of the benchmarking and what we currently do. This means making business improvements that are more than a quick fix, but intended to be a lasting solution. We should look for ways to improve things, no matter how small, that are in our control. When we repeat, we monitor results and reset the baseline. Our goal here is to build on our successes and learn from our mistakes to continually improve. And the cycle continues again as we move back to measure and continue to raise the performance bar. Repeat is an important part of the cycle because things are always changing in our business and we need to be flexible and resilient. Making changes once is usually not enough in order to be excellent. OpX is a continuous improvement cycle. It is not something to do once. It is not something we do once, but again and again, as we continue to seek ways to improve our work processes and better serve our customers. In our last video of this series, we'll explore how to use this cycle and your role in OpX.